The weather did not slow our fight against crime and implementation of our usual mandate in implementing peace and order. In Kalinga, our joint operations with PIDEA destroyed about 750,000 marijuana plants valued at 150 million pesos, among others of our accomplishment on anti-illegal drugs operations. Cutting off illegal drugs at their source. In Mindanao, at one place, units seized more than 37 million pesos worth of alleged or illegal or smuggled cigarettes. Beyond our anti-crime and anti-smuggling efforts, our pursuit of wanted persons remain relentless. We arrested a national most wanted for carnapping, 4 wanted persons through highway patrol operations, 4 regional level wanted persons facing serious offenses. These relentless efforts extended beyond our borders as our international law enforcement efforts also delivered results. In Angeles City, 8 Korean nationals were apprehended over alleged immigration and financial scamming violations. In Mandawi City, 3 Vietnamese nationals were arrested for alleged unauthorized dental practice. In Cavite, a Korean fugitive under an Interpol red notice was apprehended over on illegal cyber gambling case. Mga kapwa ko lingkod ng bayan, hindi nasusukat ang serbisyo sa kondisyon ng panahon. Sinusukat ito sa bilis nating kumilos kapag may nangangailangan. Sa tapang nating humarap sa pagpanganib at sa disiplina nating gawin ang tama kahit walang nakakakita. Let us carry that standard not only this week, but for the rest of our service. Be responsive, be present, and be decisive. Let every action protect our communities and strengthen public trust. That is the meaning of Bagong PNP para sa Bagong Pilipinas. Serbisyong mabilis, tapat at nararamdaman.